In this video, I will show you how to download music from YouTube to MP3. So let's jump straight into it. So here we are. As you can see, I'm currently here on youtube.com. So you want to go ahead, come across to youtube.com and log into your account. Now, once you've done that, what you're going to want to do is come up to the top right hand corner, click onto your profile icon and come down and click onto YouTube Studio. So to download music from YouTube to MP3, it's really easy to do. What we can do from our studio is come over to this menu on the left hand side and you want to look for something called Audio Library. Now by clicking on this, it's going to give you access to a ton of different songs and sound effects and things like that. And what you can do, you can check the license type for any of these songs. So you can see there's a column here for license type. And if you hover over any of the songs, it's going to tell you the license type for that particular song. So for example, for this Headland song, you can see that you can use this audio track in any of your videos, including videos that you monetize, and no attribution is required. So this is of course a really good place to get music or MP3 for videos that you're producing or uploading to your own channel. What you can do is preview the songs as well by just simply clicking the play button over here. That's going to give you a quick preview of the song. Now if you want to download this as an MP3, all you need to do is come to the far right. You're going to see the download link just over here. So just click on to download. And as you can see, that's going to download this onto our PC, and that is how to download music from YouTube to MP3. So we can open this up and start playing it. And as you would have noticed, the download has downloaded as a .mp3, as you can see just up here. So with that being said, I hope this tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.